I am going to review the best motorcycle speakers in the market for this year.
Welcome to our channel, the only place to find the best products for buyers who want to save their time and stress of figuring out what to buy. Out of many products, we have tried our best to highlight both the merits and demerits of the products, and in the last, based on our observation, we have shown the best product that will not go worthless. What we consider for selecting a particular product are brand reputation, ease of use and flexibility, durability, price, as well as customer feedback. If you watch this video until its end, then it will be you who must feel that this video has contributed much on taking decision which product to buy, and ultimately this will lead you to pick the best one. Last but not the least, that we also want your hard-earned money to be used for the purchase of the best ranked and well-performed product.
At number 1, we have the Boss Audio Systems MC-BK420B motorcycle speakers. These speakers have a durable design with a weatherproof quality that protects them from moisture generated through fog, rain, or splashing water. The versatility of these speakers make them usable on motorcycles, touring bikes, ATVs, and more. The speakers come with the mounting hardware, and remote volume control is available. This control can be attached to any part of the motorcycle to provide easy access to systems controls while riding. The speakers come with Bluetooth connectivity to give users the option to stream or connect using an aux cord wirelessly. At number 2, we have the Pyle PLMCA20 motorcycle speaker. This is available in a pack of 2 speakers compatible with Android, iOS, and MP3 devices. The chrome finish of the speakers make them appealing when mounted on any motorcycle. The speakers come with mounting brackets and an instruction manual to guide users through the process. The speakers are weatherproof and come with an amplifier in the pack. The speaker has a remote control power on-off with a mute function with the bullet-style design. Issues with the speaker include the durability of the aux cord that comes with it. At number 3, we have the Boss Audio Systems MC400 motorcycle speakers. This product comes with a 3.5mm aux-in to enable users to connect devices such as smartphones, iOS devices, and MP3 players for streaming music. The package includes a 2-channel amplifier, 2 chrome speakers, and an inline volume control. There is a 3-year Platinum Online Dealer warranty on the product when you purchase it from Amazon. The speakers have a compact design with a weatherproof quality that makes them excellent for mounting on UTVs, ATVs, motorcycles, and scooters. It comes with adjustable brackets that you can fit on handlebars measuring 0.75 inches to 1.25 inches. Although the speakers offer lots of excellent qualities, many users complain about their overall durability. At number 4, we have the Shark Shixum 2050K motorcycle speakers. Unlike many motorcycle speakers on the market, these do come with remote control. To make it easy to use, there is a dot matrix LCD FM frequency display. The speakers have a frequency response of 20 Hz to 50 Hz and a channel separation of over 45 decibels. To give users flexibility when streaming content, the speakers come with an SD card slot and a USB port. This is in addition to the aux input and FM function of the speakers. These 100-watt speakers have a waterproof quality that protects them in certain weather conditions. At number 5, we have the Boss Audio Systems MC470B motorcycle speaker. These speakers features a wired remote control that users can install on any part of the motorcycle. Since the speakers are weatherproof, there is a lower possibility of getting damaged from environmental factors. Users can stream content wirelessly or wired through the Bluetooth connectivity or aux cord as preferred. The use of the latest weatherproofing techniques makes the speakers durable and resistant to various weather conditions. For users that purchase the speakers through authorized online dealers like Amazon, there is a 3-year Platinum Online Dealer warranty. At number 6, we have the GoHawk TN4Q motorcycle speakers. The design of this speaker features the use of high-quality materials including aluminum and ABS. It has an appealing glossy black housing with an IP56 waterproof quality. This is a plug-and-play speaker that comes with 2 antennas for Bluetooth and FM radio connections. The speakers support the use of SD cards, aux cords, and Bluetooth for streaming music. Connect with any smartphone, iOS device, or MP3 player for use while riding. It is easy to install and comes with all hardware and accessories you need for the process.
Halfway of our list, I really appreciate your patience with keenness to watch this video, and also expect that you will definitely watch this video until it ends. Check out the links in the video description to get other information on each product. for watching this video. If you have recently bought products and got any experience during purchasing, then you are welcome to share that experience in our comment section and hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be the first to enjoy the latest videos in the future.